I got this suspension trainer, but don't know how to use it. What do I do? We'll get into that coming up. You don't need the gym to get in the best shape of your life. Alright, we're going to go through a couple different exercises, one for the quads and one for the hamstrings. So get ready, here we go. Today, I'd like to make it a little harder instead of just doing body weight squats or jump squats. And since I can't do normal pistol squats because of my balance, I use the suspension trainer. I recommend you guys do the same. So grab the handles, take a step back, and now I'm going to do suspended leg curls. That's where you can work the hamstrings with this tool. And so you'll get facing the door and put your ankles into the strap and then lift your hips as you pull your legs in. I hope you guys found that instructional and educational. If you need the suspension device, check out the description. I've linked it below, as well as some other fitness equipment and supplements. And as always, you can contact me for training plans and I'll get them to you. Also, you can get my free nutrition guide, $50 value, if I just get your email in the comments.